So today, we're gonna work on killing off a little bit of that invasive bush honeysuckle. We're gonna seed some log roads, and then we're gonna mess around with some backpacking stuff. Jack's getting into camping, so today is gonna be about a little bit of work on the farm, and then it's gonna be about a little bit of play, because very rarely do we get to just hang out and enjoy the property, so stay tuned. We're gonna shoot a little video today. This is bush honeysuckle, and if you leave it untreated, it is a mess. It's an invasive, and it'll take over a woodlot. So we've done a great job over the last few years of getting this stuff out, but there's constant maintenance to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this stuff off with a chainsaw, and then we will spray it with some herbicide right at the stump, and that should take care of that. There's a lot of work going on in here. So the timber stand improvement plus the controlled burn, it's going to pay some huge dividends. Look at that this spring. And we're really hoping that with the trapping that we're doing in here, we can really encourage the turkeys to get back here and start using it. But this is a cool thing right here. So this is kind of a new makeshift log road. We had some black timber harvested out of here. Black walnut, sorry. And these are new trails the deer are starting to use here. So we frost seeded last week with clover, and I'm gonna go back over with some ryegrass, cereal rye, and we're just gonna try and get these things established and just make this the best hunting 40 acres that you can make it for both whitetail and turkey. Somebody that's really been spending a lot of time on YouTube. Looks good.
Thanks.
You sleeping here tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll come get you in the morning. And sometimes you don't have to use any herbicide. You can just use mechanical or your legs. Whatever I'm doing on the farm, when I walk by and I see bush honeysuckle, if I can pull it out of the ground, I get it. Clover today, I'm gonna put in a blend this spring. Our good friend, Tony, who started a habitat business, is gonna come up here, and we're gonna leave the bottom portion of this area down here all clover. But up here, we're gonna start putting in some blends, because we've noticed that they hit it hard. The deer and turkey always hit this hard during the spring and summer, but come the fall, they're looking for something different. So we're gonna give it to them this year. It's gonna be awesome. I'm getting hungry, so we're gonna start experimenting with some backpack meals and see if we can cook dehydrated things. Let this start catching. All right, you got the lead stuff. There you go. All right, let's let that catch. thing I really have a hard time doing when I'm up here, staying hydrated. I get working and I literally just forget. It's not as bad here in the wintertime, but in the summer, especially when you're really sweating, it's not super great. So I'm gonna take a few minutes while this fire is getting going, and I am just going to rest up. We've already put several miles on the boots today, and like I said, we very rarely get the opportunity to just sit up here and relax, and that's what we're getting ready to do. All right, so we've never done this before. We're gonna try one of these freeze-dried meals and just see if we can figure out how to add hot water to a packet. All right, we're gonna try this out here. I think the biggest thing that I see with what we're doing here on this farm is that we're trying to change the DNA of it. So with the burn, getting off the leaf litter, getting new growth to pop, killing off the invasive species, planting the trees, planting the food plots, doing the timber stand improvements so more sunlight gets down to the floor, making free deer food and cover for fawns and poults, and then trapping, right? Getting rid of the nest predators up here. And over the course of time, by changing the landscape, the habitat improves, and so does the hunting. And you know, the same thing happens with our fitness, meaning that when we're doing stuff all the time, a lot of times people are looking at it from the outside in when they got to look at it from the inside out, meaning that we're making changes with your exercise and your nutrition that's going to impact you at the cellular level. And so it's going to take a bit. Now, we've been working on this farm now for almost 5 years, and it's hunting amazing. Keep that in mind when we're working with you on a fitness program or your nutrition or mindset. Just understand that we're making changes from the inside out. Have some patience. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. You know, one of the things that we love to do is to perform in the outdoors, and that was a big part of today's fun, which was to take the training that we do in the gym and literally take it to the field and honestly just enjoy the farm a little bit. Hey, if you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe, click that little notification bell, and you're going to get notified when we put more videos out there that are going to help you get and stay fit to hunt. Thanks for watching.